simple, humble, filling. Kush was a mixture of rice and cornmeal, sometimes flavored with onion or fat, cooked together until soft and filling. It was field food, quick to prepare, easy to portion. In places like South Carolina's Lowcountry, enslaved Africans were chosen for their rice expertise. That knowledge built fortunes. Corn, native to the Americas, merged with African grain traditions. But in slave quarters, rice was stretched, mixed with corn, made to last. Kush represents cultural blending under force. Kush wasn't about variety. It was about survival. Simple carbohydrates for long days, filled stomachs before sunrise, and sustained labor until dusk. It wasn't elaborate, but it was enough. And sometimes enough is survival. The blending of grains, the one-pot method, communal sharing. Kush is quiet proof that African foodways survived even when circumstances changed. This is Soul Food Stories. Come back tomorrow for the next dish in our 28-day series.